way, people, but my big butt's probably going to go in way now.
Big busters again, I'd lie.
It's not long enough at this side.
It is. Take it to you.
To me, to you.
To you.
Get off it then. How can I take it to me when you're not letting it go? Says she.
Says she.
All by myself. People will be walking past thinking, what's she doing there in that van?
The fruitcake. She's a nutcase.
Everyone's a fruit and nutcase. I used to like that advert. What it fruit and nut Cadbury's.
We've marked lines on so that you can drill holes for where screws are going to go through and outboard down. Just putting lines in and know exactly where screws are. She's happy again. You're not happy today, are you, love?
No, my back's killing.
We haven't even got...
This is going to be a long time saying.
My back's killing?
I think.
Well, we'll try it and we might have to get something bigger.
Well, I'm not doing another one.
Get out.
No.
Keep going.
Right, where am I doing?
So yeah, follow it line she's marked now and then just pencil.
Has it got to go on the line?
That's it, yeah, now just pencil it from there now. Same.
Ah.
A poor back. Yeah, she's doing great, but she's in agony.
I'll not be able to do all after it's built. I'll probably be in agony that much.
Better build a fixed bed because Lisa will be laid on it for 6 months.
Oh,
Lisa just countersinking
what now? Well, to me it is straight.
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, aye. Aye. So.
Jeez Louise. This one.
Yeah. Perfect.
Oh,
A little bit more.
Bit more.
Yeah, we don't want. Yeah. Oh, that's it. That's absolutely perfect.
Yeah, but I don't want to do it. Effing Jeffing back.
Ah.
Bit more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lisa's drilling. Counter-sinking drilling. To pilot holes, and then my mate's going to underbody seal Schultz hole underneath that van wherever screws have come through and all over.
Oh.
So that'll be alright.
All left to do, and then I'm having a shower.
And that's it for today.
Because my hair's like, yeah.
Anyway, keep going. Lovely. Insulation again. Ah, it's all go. Have to take them chairs with us when we go camping, Lise.
What? No, got plenty of chairs on there.
We have to keep pace. Because this is sitting perfect on the perfect head height. Alright, just thought I'd show you this new addition to the van. I'll spin it round and show you. I'll put a roof rack on to hold the solar panel. Another purchase off Marketplace, bang on. Went to, me and Lise went to collect it, and the guy actually fitted it for us. So yeah, he fitted it on for us when we got there. That was kind of him, that. Perfect. So yeah, so that's going to be solar panel at front, tent box at back, and then we're hoping to get one of them wind out awnings to go outside. And yeah, go from there. Catch up with you in a bit. We just putting that vapour barrier in there. Got lats in on. Don't matter. Lats in on roof. Just got a few cross members to do. To fix the panel into on roof, obviously.
I've wasted that bit and have to go that way again.
Yeah. All that's insulated. Fill these dints in outdoor. Nightmare. We've added the timber. They were the ones that were originally with it. We've added it over the foil sticky back insulation. Yeah, a nice finish on the doors. She's vapor barrier all to ceiling now. It's ready to go. These stencils out of cardboard, if you can see them, for them side panels there. To put them on. All the electrics is going at the back of there. Yeah, and then put on that side as well. So. Panels are cut out. This, she's stuck on with this. We've gobbed that stuff on. And then they've been glued onto there like that. Hopefully to get a neater finish with carpet rather than all that wrinkly insulation underneath. That's it done. For now. Till next time. Yeah, it's brilliant.
Oh, I want that.
I want one. It's like its legs are juddering, look. And a big massive love heart, look.
I like that project. Okay. It's like a bug in it.
How good is that?
Yeah, she's got another one up now, yeah.
Go, quick!
She does know she's squealing, doesn't she? Lisa on swings. Takes you back, Lisa.
Yeah. Gotta remember I used to jump off these at this height.
Bloody hell.
I used to go, woo!
Crackers. Empty park, so I can film because it's an empty park. Mind you, it is early morning. Another glorious morning at Saltfleet. Don't we? Don't we?
I'll just Woodthorpe for 10 o'clock.
Woodthorpe Garden Centre for his breakfast on a Sunday morning.
Oh, lovely. Can't
Nice
beat
cup
it.
of tea and a wonderful breakfast. With a wonderful
life.
person.
That's what I was going to say.
Yeah, wonderful life.
And our doggy.
And Bentley's like, what am I having, Dad? Yes. Lisa's brought me to Woodthorpe for a lovely Sunday breakfast.
Yeah, we haven't been for ages, have we? So
Not that I'm happy. Fat bloke's always happy when he comes for a breakfast.
That's what we do all the time, is it?
No.
So, yeah.
Tired, love.
Oh, you can tea for Christmas, look, £17 for one, $33.99 for two. It looks nice,
Yeah, well, I'll just get out.
You've got a book online now, look, for Breakfast with Santa.
Oh yeah, for kids, yeah.
And you've even got a pause and close breakfast, look, for dogs.
Do we?
Back, big post, go back.
They're into everything, aren't they?
Yeah.
Bloody hell. Bentley's like, what am I having for breakfast, Dad? Hello.
And they've got their own menu.
Yeah, they've got a doggy menu.
Doggy menu. Doggy menu.
Yep. Look at him, doggy menu. What you picking? Whatever you want.
What are you having for your breakfast?
Ellen's getting impatient. Jumped on my legs looking for, where's my breakfast? Where's my bloody breakfast? Aren't you, boy? Look at him nosing. He's been looking at restaurants.
He's been looking in here waiting for his food.
Yeah, like waiting for food to come through the door. Takes after his dad.
Yeah.
Oh, but he's not fat. How are you, boy? Says, I'm looking for my breakfast. Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful lace. Yeah. Very nice. Well, that was beautiful. Mission completed. You Olive, you can't do it, that's it.
No.
Somebody's pinched my bacon and sausage off of my plate. I bet your bacon as well.
I know, yeah, we can eat off. It was too big, I couldn't, it was too much to eat that.
We'll have another cup of tea, yeah? Right, that's another weekend over.
Yeah, exhausted.
Lisa's worked a little socks off again. Insulation, we're sick of insulation now.
I think we said that on last time.
I know, bleeding hell to say it's a small van. You can't believe how much insulation a bleeding small van like this can take.
I think we've nearly done it.
Yeah, we've cracked it now with insulation.
Thank God.
Tried to get some wall boards on to so we can get some of that stretch carpet, haven't we? But yeah, we haven't even had a chance to get up to a top terrace like we usually do. It's been that manic.
Yeah.
It's been non-stop. But she's a little grafter, like I say. Bleeding hell, Lisa.
What?
A bit of enthusiasm wouldn't go amiss.
No, I'm not. I'm listening to you.
Yeah,
I'm
knackered.
To you, yeah. I look like a scrubber.
Well, you've been working, that's it.
Yeah, we're going home now. Got to drive, couple hour drive home now.
That's it, back home, and then...
I don't feel like we've actually... I mean, we have...
It's starting to turn a little bit now. We're hoping, obviously, once that stretch carpet stuff's on, it start to get furniture sorted. Can't we?
I mean, at the minute, it just, to me, looks all...
Mishmash of crap.
Yeah, and I'm like, I know it's going to look better than that, but at the minute, it's just like...
As
you know that, and it looks like that, but it, like you say, once we've got all carpet and as roofs arrived...
as panelling. No, I haven't. As
panelling.
For ceiling, that's arrived, so that will be delivered today. So that'll be good when we get that on.
Yeah. We'll see how we go.
It might be ripping all 12 volt lighting down wiring that Lisa put in, because they're on about putting 2 strip lights in now, aren't we, down middle?
Yeah, I don't know whether they'll probably be better, because it might give us a bit more light.
Rather than spotlights, just 2 runs.
Spotlights are alright, but...
Yeah, I know.
It's only like, we only being small anyway.
Yeah,
Might make it a bit dingy.
We'll either have 2 or 3 runs of strip lighting and go from there.
Well, yeah, we need to decide, because...
Oh, yeah, we've got to decide before we even contemplate ceiling going on, haven't we?
Yeah.
But yeah, so that is it, I think. I think we'll chuck an end on this video.
Yeah, the dream team are over.
And out. Thanks for watching.
I'll see you soon.
See you again. Bye.